Wine. The very word evokes images of sun-drenched vineyards, clinking glasses, and convivial gatherings. For centuries, wine has captivated our senses and played a starring role in cultures around the world. This beginner's guide will equip you with the basic knowledge to confidently approach your first sip. We'll demystify the jargon, explore the diverse world of wine styles, and empower you to make informed choices that suit your palate. So pour yourself a glass, and let's embark on this exciting journey of wine discovery together. Remember, the most important rule of wine is simple. Enjoy it. Let's raise a glass to the fascinating world of wine. At its heart, wine is a remarkably simple beverage, born from the humble grape. Yet the journey from vine to glass is a fascinating blend of tradition, science, and art. The magic begins in the vineyard, where sunlight, soil, and climate converge to nurture the grapes to perfect ripeness. Each element plays a crucial role, influencing the flavor and quality of the final product. Once harvested, the grapes embark on a transformative journey from fruit to fermented beverage. This process is both an art and a science, requiring careful attention at every stage. The winemaking process, while seemingly complex, can be distilled into a few key steps. Each step is vital in developing the wine's character and depth. First, the grapes are crushed, releasing their sugary juice known as must. This is the foundation upon which the wine's flavor profile is built. For red wines, the skins are left to ferment with the juice, imparting color and tannins. This step is crucial for developing the wine's body and complexity. White wines, on the other hand, are fermented without skins. This results in a lighter, more delicate flavor profile. Next comes the crucial stage of fermentation, where yeast converts the sugar in the must into alcohol. This is where the magic truly happens, transforming grape juice into wine. This process can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the desired style of wine. The winemaker's expertise is key in determining the perfect timing. After fermentation, the wine is typically aged, either in stainless steel tanks for a crisp, fresh profile, or in oak barrels for added complexity and flavor. The choice of aging vessel can significantly influence the wine's final taste. Finally, the wine is bottled, ready to be enjoyed. Each bottle is a culmination of months, sometimes years, of meticulous work and passion. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned connoisseur, knowing the different types of wine can enhance your appreciation and enjoyment. Red wines, with their rich hues and bold flavors, are often associated with full-bodied meals and cozy evenings. They are perfect for pairing with hearty dishes like steaks, stews, and pasta. Popular red varieties include Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Pinot Noir, each with its unique character. Cabernet Sauvignon is known for its deep flavors and tannins, Merlot for its smoothness, and Pinot Noir for its delicate and complex profile. White wines, known for their refreshing acidity and lighter profiles, are perfect for warmer days and lighter fare. They pair wonderfully with seafood, salads, and chicken dishes. Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, and Riesling are just a few examples of the diverse world of white wines. Chardonnay is often rich and buttery. Sauvignon Blanc is crisp and herbaceous, and Riesling can range from dry to sweet, offering a versatile option for many palates. Rose wines, with their charming pink hues and delicate fruit flavors, have gained immense popularity in recent years. They are made by allowing the grape skins to touch the wine for only a short time, giving them their distinctive color. Made from red grapes but fermented like white wines, roses offer a delightful balance of freshness and fruitiness. They are perfect for picnics, barbecues, and casual gatherings. Sparkling wines, carbonated wine like champagne, prosecco, or cava, makes every occasion feel special. These effervescent wines are made bubbly through a secondary fermentation process, which creates their signature bubbles. They are perfect for toasting and celebrating life's milestones. Finally, dessert wines, as their name suggests, are enjoyed at the end of a meal. Rich and sweet, wines like Port and Moscato are perfect for pairing with desserts or enjoying on their own. These wines are typically sweeter and higher in alcohol, offering a luscious and decadent finish. They pair beautifully with desserts like cakes, pastries, and cheeses. Now let's talk about the grapes themselves, as they're the key to every wine's unique flavor. Cabernet Sauvignon, a noble grape variety originally from Bordeaux, France, is known for its full body, firm tannins, and black currant flavors. This grape often forms the backbone of many of the world's most celebrated red wines. Merlot, another Bordeaux native, offers a softer, more approachable style with plum and cherry notes. Its smooth texture makes it a favorite for both new and seasoned wine enthusiasts. Pinot Noir, a finicky grape that thrives in cooler climates like Burgundy, produces elegant wines with delicate red fruit flavors and earthy undertones. Its complexity and finesse make it a cherished choice among connoisseurs. Chardonnay, a versatile white grape grown worldwide, can range in style from crisp and unoaked to rich and buttery. This adaptability allows it to pair well with a wide variety of foods, making it a staple in many wine collections. Sauvignon Blanc, known for its zesty acidity and grassy aromas, is often associated with the Loire Valley in France and Marlborough in New Zealand. Its refreshing profile makes it an excellent choice for warm weather and light dishes. Riesling, a German grape variety, produces wines with remarkable aging potential, ranging from bone-dry to lusciously sweet. Its versatility and ability to reflect the terroir make it a fascinating grape to explore. Zinfandel, known for its bold, fruity flavors with a touch of spice, Zinfandel is often grown in California and produces wines that are rich and easy to drink. It's perfect for pairing with barbecue or spicy dishes. Sangiovese, Chianti. This red grape is famous for wines like Chianti from Tuscany, Italy. It has vibrant acidity and flavors of cherry, herbs, and tobacco. It pairs wonderfully with Italian food, especially pasta with tomato-based sauces. Now that we know the basics, let's talk about how to taste wine. It's simple, and it's all about engaging your senses. Look. First, hold the glass up to the light and check the color. A red wine should be deep and rich, while a white wine should be pale and clear. Smell. Give it a swirl, then take a deep sniff. Notice the aromas. It could be fruity, floral, spicy, or even earthy. Taste. Take a small sip and let the wine coat your mouth. Try to identify the flavors. Is it sweet, sour, bitter, or salty? What kind of fruits or spices can you detect? Finish. Lastly, notice how long the flavor lingers after you swallow. A longer finish often means a higher quality wine. Now that we've explored the art of tasting wine, let's talk about something just as important: storing and serving your wine the right way. Keep bottles lying flat to keep the cork moist, and store them in a cool, dark place at around 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. For whites and roses, a wine fridge works perfectly. Serving wine at the right temperature is key. Red wines should be slightly cooler than room temperature, around 16 to 18 degrees Celsius, 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Whites, roses, and sparkling wines shine at 8 to 12 degrees Celsius, 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro tip: chill reds slightly, especially in warmer climates. Did you know the shape of your glass impacts flavor? Use a large, round glass for reds to enhance aromas, and a smaller, narrower glass for whites to maintain crispness. For sparkling wine, go for a flute to preserve those bubbles. Red wines, especially aged or full-bodied ones, benefit from decanting. Pour the wine into a decanter and let it breathe for 20-30 minutes to unlock its full flavor. No decanter? Swirling your glass works too. When pouring wine, fill the glass only about a third full. This leaves room to swirl and appreciate the aromas. For sparkling wine, tilt the glass to pour slowly and preserve the bubbles. That's it for Wine 101. Now you're ready to start exploring the world of wine. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more wine tips and other fun content. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.